the coconut boat. Let's go. Okay, so it's cheaper when you go. Yeah?
500.
500?
Yeah, coming. Order ticket. Anh, bán vé cho mình hả? 500 ngàn.
One boat? One boat.
500,000.
500,000.
5 minutes. Yeah, okay. Just sit down, sit down. Okay.
Hello, Tuturutu. I'm on the coconut boat here. Oi. Whoa. A little bit slowly now. Like auto scooter here. Oh, I want to try some head here. More original Vietnamese. Xin chào. Okay, okay. Hey, okay, okay. Okay, that's how it could be. Well, now it's original. Photo of me, huh? Gotcha. Wait. Not with me, guys.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany.
Germany, yeah.
Germany, okay.
Germany, Alemania. And you? This is how it's looking. Me as a copy of Made in Vietnam. Coconut. So I'm having here this protection for the coconut. Hope nothing will happen to me. Dancing boats here. gets me here, or drives me here to Hoi An. Grab driver, one hand towards the others, and he shows me some local dinings here in Hoi An. Specific for Vietnamese people, fish, chicken, egg.
Yeah,
Crazy. Yeah. Can I have more?
Get more. This one is 25. We do more. We do for you 40.
40, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, 40.
Okay, yeah. Fish, yeah?
Yes, fish.
Fish. What is this? Sorry. Pork?
Pork, big in here.
It's okay, no problem. I eat everything. This is spicy.
This one inside.
Stomach?
Little bit you try.
Yeah, you can give me. Yeah, no problem. I have no problem with it.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's from pig or what is it exactly?
This one.
Pig or inside?
Yeah,
what?
yeah,
But
yeah.
what? Pork?
Pork.
Pork, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Hàng thấy mà 40 con.
40 nè.
And
This one fish.
fish, yeah. Fish very.
And little bit
I like.
try on salt.
Yeah, please.
40 đó con.
Next
Tự
one, yeah.
nói gì?
Tự
Come
nấu
on.
Chọn Hà đứa bên
Okay, come on.
Hey, Mori.
Yeah. Yeah, super. Come on. Wow. Can I record? Yeah, it's okay. So now we are eating here. Ooh, let's have a dish. Come on. That's the food. And enjoy.
bé con.
Love it here. Thirty kilometers away from Da Nang. Very overflooded here by tourists. I hate it. Don't like it really much.
Mẹ cá sư sống.
start of the season and it's so much here on the streets. I hate it. Disgusting.
It's okay. And it was like 5 minutes.
Welcome in Hoi An. Here it's quiet. More quiet than in the rest of Hoi An. So I looked to the left side, something like that. At the gate. I don't know what it is exactly. I'm sorry. So let's have a look around here, all these lanterns.
Look, I'm in.